Today, I worked on a vehicle where the customer reported that the check engine light was on. After connecting a scan tool, I found the P0172 error code, which means System Too Rich Bank 1. This code typically indicates an issue with the air-fuel mixture being too rich, so I began my diagnosis to identify the cause. First, I inspected the air intake system for any obvious faults, such as blockages, leaks, or disconnected hoses. Everything appeared to be in good condition, so I moved on to the fuel system. I visually inspected the fuel injection pump and the surrounding components, but found no visible damage or issues. Next, I connected a fuel pressure gauge to the fuel system to check if the fuel pressure was within the manufacturer's specified range. While cranking the engine, I observed that the fuel pressure was not within the correct range. This indicated a problem within the fuel system that required further investigation. After inspecting the system more thoroughly, I determined that the fuel injection high-pressure pump was faulty and causing the incorrect fuel pressure. This explained the overly rich air-fuel mixture that triggered the P0172 code. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty fuel injection high-pressure pump with a new one. Once the replacement was complete, I cleared the fault codes using the scan tool and took the vehicle for a road test to verify the repair. The engine ran smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no new fault codes appeared. This repair highlights the importance of proper diagnostic tools and systematic testing when dealing with fuel system issues. By carefully inspecting each component and measuring the fuel pressure, I was able to pinpoint the exact cause of the problem and fix it efficiently. If you're facing a P0172 code, these steps can help you diagnose and resolve the issue accurately.